Hello, I'm Matt Ryer, Principal Engineer at Grafana Labs, and I'm excited to tell you today about Explore Logs. Check this out. Explore Logs is our new experience for analyzing logs, aimed at helping developers very quickly troubleshoot and identify issues. At a glance, you'll see spikes and dips in your log data and in properties throughout the logs, extracted automatically. While Explore is great for power users who want to unleash the full potential of LogQL, Explore Logs helps new to Loki, new to Grafana users get insights from logs immediately without having to learn a query language. To get started with Explore Logs in Grafana Cloud, navigate to the hamburger menu, open Explore, choose Logs. I'm doing this on play.grafana.org, so you can follow along if you like. I'm going to use the Explore Logs data source here. And you can see then it presents me with my services. Volumes are broken out by log level, and I get a preview of the logs themselves. This allows me to immediately see any spikes or any anomalies, even at this level. By clicking and dragging on a region in the graph, I can actually zoom in as well, so I can focus down even at this point. When I'm ready to select a service, I just click select, and I'm going to choose the Mimir ingester service here. If you don't find the service you're looking for, you can just search for it here. So immediately I see more detailed log volumes here at the top, and I see the actual log data down below. But notice we have these additional tabs here: labels, fields, and patterns. And this is where things get really exciting. Let's look at labels first. Labels represent indexed fields in Loki. Examples are cluster, namespace, you might have application in here. It depends on your case. So you immediately get a visualization of each label, including all the values within them. So again, at this point, you'd be able to spot if anything's going awry. And you notice there's like a little spike here that might be interesting. Selecting a label drills down into that label, and now we see all the values broken out. Imagine if there's an issue here, you would see this immediately. Maybe I'm interested in this one. What can I do now? I can include or exclude log lines from this cluster. So this is all without writing any queries. I'm just going to include here. Now I'm only seeing logs from that cluster. That is so easy. Right, so fields next. Fields is very similar, except this is the metadata that's extracted from the log lines themselves. So this is very nice. This is just extracted automatically. I haven't had to go and do any configuration to make this work. Fields are represented in the same way. You get the same histogram. You can click to drill in, and then you see the values, and you can go from here. If you have a view with lots of graphs, you can use the sort by drop down to choose how you'd like to order them. The idea here is we're going to help you find interesting things on this page. Patterns are very interesting. Patterns are automatically mined from the log stream. So again, you don't configure these. They group log lines up by similarity and let you deal with that entire set of log lines at the same time. So for example, in here you can see 30% of our logs follow this kind of pattern. Maybe this is, as you can see, it's a debug statement. It might be noisy. I might want to exclude that from the logs. When I go back to logs, that line is now gone. Similarly, I can also include them to narrow down. Perhaps I know that it's a completing block message is where it's related to the issue. So if I include that and I go to logs, I only get completing block log lines, and I can just look at them all as one and figure out anomalies from there. So this is all about narrowing down, find the right things very quickly, and get rid of all the noise so you can focus. Once you've narrowed down, you can then look at logs through the classic log view, seeing the log lines, or you can use the table view. So for example, I might say, let's pull out this user ID column here into its own column and order by that. Now I'm looking at activity all from this particular user. And that's so easy to do that just by a few clicks. So as you can tell, we're really excited about this new experience. We want you to try it. We want you to use it on your real data, and we want you to get in touch. There's a give feedback thing at the top here that you can click that gives you a form. Please get in touch, please use it, let us know, and thank you very much.